Hello everyone. Let's talk about breathing new life into your Dell PowerEdge T30 or T40 server. If you're finding that your system is starting to lag, especially when multitasking or running more demanding applications, then upgrading the RAM is often the most cost-effective solution. Today, we're looking at the ATEC 8GB DDR4 2666 MHz memory module, specifically designed for these Dell PowerEdge models. This isn't just any RAM. It's a single 8GB stick of DDR4 2666 MHz PC 4-21300 DMM memory. The fact that it's non-ECC unbuffered is perfectly fine for the T30 and T40, as they don't typically require ECC memory for their usual workloads. Installation is incredibly straightforward. ATEC has made this user-friendly, so even if you're not a tech expert, you can easily install this module at home. Just consult your Dell PowerEdge manual for the correct slot and channel configuration. The ATEC module operates at the standard DDR4 voltage of 1.2V, ensuring compatibility and energy efficiency. More importantly, this upgrade can significantly improve your system's performance. By expanding your server's memory capacity, you're allowing it to handle more tasks simultaneously without bogging down. This translates to a smoother, faster experience, whether you're running virtual machines, handling file sharing, or managing other server-related tasks. ATEC also emphasizes quality control, putting these memory modules through rigorous testing to ensure reliability. This is crucial for server environments where stability is paramount. Plus, it comes with ATEC's limited lifetime warranty, which provides peace of mind knowing that you're covered should any issues arise. Their tech support team is also available to assist you with any questions or concerns, both before and after your purchase. If you're looking for a reliable and easy way to boost the performance of your Dell PowerEdge T30 or T40, the ATEC 8GB DDR4 RAM is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.